can reassure you that companies are hiring. So while our unemployment rate is far higher than it was earlier this year, there are still hundreds of thousands, millions of jobs that are going unfilled. There is still a large disconnect because this is a very inefficient market. So don't be dismayed by headlines that you read. Don't believe everything you hear on CNBC. There are industries, there are companies that are hiring, and I mean hiring a lot of people. And part of that is because their business is changing. Just 3 of them are underlined there. You know, the legal field is booming. You're going to see a lot of lawsuits as a result of what the world is going through right now, sadly, and that's going to present business opportunities. All the surrounding industries that support the legal industry. Security is booming. Things like home repair, because we're spending so much more time at home. So those are just 3 examples, but I could have underlined any of these industries. So figure out where you're going to focus your time, and you'll be shocked to find that there are opportunities.